channel, Only in Your Mind. My name's Natasha. Of course, I am doing another skull for my collection of Halloween skulls. Now this one is a little bit different. I actually drip paint to create this skull, and if you guys want to see how I did this makeup, just keep watching. So guys, here is the image that I found online that motivated me to do this really cool skull. So what I'm going to do now is just mark off the areas that I know I want in black, which would be the nose and the eye area of the skull. So I'm thinking this would be my last of my skulls for a while. I know I'm definitely going to come back and do some more. I have a couple of ideas that I really wanted to do, but I just ran out of time. And I have other makeups that I have to get in, like I have some requests, and I also have a collaboration that I want to do as well. So I'm just going to darken out the areas that I want. I'm not going to cover them all the way. I'm just going to do part of it, and then I'm going to start with this purple color. And what I did was water down the paint a little bit, and I think this is Diamond Effects purple or violet, but I will definitely put all the colors that I used in my description box below. So for this makeup, I was really excited, and I did some test runs, and I actually painted the paint drippings. So it was just like painting paint dripping. Instead of just letting the paint drip, I painted it, and I wasn't really happy with the way it came out, so I said, hey, let me redo this and just let the paint drip, and I can guide the paint where I want it to go, and that's what I did. Not only did I guide the paint with my brush, but I tilted my head, which helped the paint to go in a direction that I wanted it to flow, and I think it turned out pretty cool. I'm really happy with the way this makeup turned out. Of course, to do the paint around the eyes, there's no other way but to actually paint it on. It was watered down, but it was still painted on. And like I said earlier, I will be putting the colors and the brands in my description box below. This is a really cool pink, and I used a metallic blue earlier, and I really was hoping to only use 3 colors, but it didn't work out that way. It wasn't enough colors for the makeup. So I went ahead and added this really cool bright lime color. I know this is from Mehron Paradise, but I really, thought this would be a really cool addition to the bright colors. Even though I love this lime color and it really does help brighten up the makeup, I thought I needed another color in here that was just as bright, and I added some green to it. Now the green was a little too much, so I didn't put too much green in there, but I had to have some colors to fill in the exposed skin. And I used this green, and then I also used a blue as well. So when I thought I was done with all my little paint drippings, I went ahead and started filling in the exposed skin with black. And I took a nice little thin brush and I started going in and outlining the colors. So after outlining a little part of the bottom part of the skull, I decided to go ahead and do my eyes. And then I realized, hey, I think this skull is not completely done. I really need to extend the skull down past my upper lip, and maybe even a little bit upper lip. So when I was done with my eyes, I decided let's go back in and add some more drippings, and that's what I did. I just extended that paint, and when I was done with that, I proceeded to end this makeup by, of course, using that black to darken out the areas that were the negative spots. And as always, when I start darkening out the negative spots, that means that we are coming to the end of this makeup. I would like to wish you guys a very happy and safe Halloween. I was able to get this makeup in before Halloween, so I'm really happy and proud of myself because I didn't think I was going to do it. And I hope that you guys come back and join me for some makeup after Halloween, and in the future I will be doing more skulls, so I'll be back with skulls, guys. But oh yeah, here I am, and I am highlighting those drips. Forgot to tell you about that. But anyways, you guys have a wonderful and safe Halloween, and I will see you guys on my next makeup. You guys are awesome, and thank you so much for your support. Thank you guys so much. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me drip paint to create a skull. And if you did, give me a like if you want. And also, if you want to come back and hang out and watch me do more videos and face paintings, just subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys on my